Meaning of fistula.
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 Fistula. A fistula is an abnormal connection or passageway between two organs or vessels that are not normally connected. It can occur in various parts of the body, such as the digestive system, urinary system, or respiratory system. Fistulas can be caused by a number of factors, including infections, trauma, or surgery. The symptoms of a fistula depend on its location and severity, but often include pain, swelling, and discharge. Treatment options vary depending on the underlying cause and may include medication, surgery, or other interventions.